Hey guys, back here with another cool little EDC item. Let's see if I can get my magnifier to work. This is the Gerber Curve. And what you can see is it has a little bottle opener. Also has spring loaded so you can attach to your keychain pretty easily. Other than that, it's very simple. I'll show you. It has, let's see if we can get this close up here. It has a, there it is, a sort of small flat head. It has a sort of flat Phillips drive on there with a two-sided file, so mostly like a fingernail file. Has a nice little knife that we'll pull out here in a second. Let's see if I can do this one hand. And a pretty fat flathead. Couple things I really liked about it right off the bat is it actually has a locking feature. You'll see there's the little tabs here on the side. You actually have to pull back to unlock it. So, and there's not many knives, and I couldn't really get it to break, without trying to stab myself. There are other smaller knives that I've used that you can just sit there and just break the lock. Super easy. I've been impressed with it so far. It does have an odd-shaped blade. Let's see if we can get this on here. And of course, I mean, it's not anything crazy, but it's sort of a, I don't know, I'm not really a knife guy, so it's hard to describe. But it doesn't have a super fine tip on it. It's a nice sturdy blade for how compact the whole little tool is. And I mentioned the Gerber artifact here that you've seen in several of my EDC videos. It has a small X-Acto blade, which is nice because you can replace screwdriver and a little pry tool. And I still carry this in my bag. I just don't keep it on my person because I've had issues with this loosening up and stabbing myself in the finger with an X-Acto blade, and that's not a good time. So this was the solution so that I could have a small blade, and for whatever reason, in case I, didn't put my knife on me that day. And I really like it. I did notice that CountyCom is carrying these as well. They're about 10 bucks. But as far as little EDC guys go, and again, you have to unlock each one. I mean, they all lock. Each tool locks. So, very impressive for a tool this size. Would be nice to have a little can opener, I think, instead of maybe two screwdrivers. But, as sort of a little P38 or something, just to always have a can opener instead of a bottle opener. But this is more of just a spring-activated thing that happens to open bottles as well. But neat little EDC thing. If you guys are carrying these, let me know. Again, let's get it close up here. There's the lock-in mechanism. And I really like it. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.